Adding a new feature to Zoom. When you use the little help bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of Zoom, ask for a human, so you're not dealing with the bot, and then you ask for support and to chat with a support agent. And then with the core products, meetings or webinars, then you'll start chatting with an agent, asking your question or looking for your help. It's great to speak to someone in real time if you have a question, if something is not activated that you expected to have activated. I am asking about the new feature with the latest update in Zoom, adding and editing rooms after breakouts are open. It's amazing, but this feature has to be requested first and then activated. So you do have to talk to someone, ask them to activate it. After it's been activated, you have to go into your settings and turn it on, checking that box, and then save it. Super exciting new option in Zoom. So once you've taken care of those steps, then you can test it out, open the rooms, and then you'll be able to rename it even though the rooms have been launched. So if you run out of time and you need to do this or make a quick change or add a question as the room name, it's limited number of characters, but it is truly awesome. And then even adding a room, which is fantastic. So this is so exciting. I'm dubbing over because the sound didn't work, the recording, but I am so excited about this new feature. It definitely helps be able to if you're in a rush, to add a room, rename if you've run out of time. People might arrive afterwards, and you can add them, to a new room. So this is definitely a helpful addition, but you have to ask them to activate it, then turn it on. And if you like these videos, give this a like. Check out the blog and podcast below. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope that you have some light bulb learning moments. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services, and until next time, create and facilitate engaging learning experiences so that you can turn an audience into participants. Thanks again for watching this. Like it and comment if you have any other videos or questions you'd like me to create. Thanks again for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier. And remember to say thank you to Zoom because they just keep helping.